Good morning, children. So let's learn the third lesson, properties of natural resources. In that, we learn properties of soil. Few properties of soil according to its soil type, soil texture. The soil is differentiated into sandy soil, seed soil, and clay soil that we have seen. According to its water holding capacity, the soil. And one thing we learn also, that is the silt soil is good for agriculture because of its some reasons. Okay, now see, let's learn the soil structure. The structure of soil depend upon the different shapes of the particles in it. Soil occurs in the form of columnar, laminar, granular, as well as block shaped structures. So the soil occurs, that is the columnar, laminar, granular as well as block shape structure. जैसे स्ट्रक्चर है वैसे जैसे कलर के ब्लॉक से सॉइल में टाइप है, that the soil structure depends. The fertility importance of soil structure. Why the soil structure is important? The soil structure is important because the fertility of soil depends upon the soil structure. You know, soil fertility is one of the very much important because when the soil is fertile, it provides nutrients to the plants and the plants grow well in the nutrient rich soil. So the fertility of soil depends upon the soil structure. Okay. How? See, the advantages of good soil structure, that means why it is important, because the root gets a sufficient supply of oxygen. If the soil is good air quality is present in the soil particles agar zyada airy hai, so the soil roots get sufficient amount of oxygen. Then water drainage is also good. Therefore, the roots of plants grow well. If the roots of plants grow well, lots of nutrients gets the plant and we get a good quality of fruits, good quality of grains. So soil structure is very much important. Then uses of soil, there are the various uses of soil. Soil is a very important natural resource. First use of soil is a plant conservation. Plant conservation means to help plant grow. Soil is important. You know, the plants are very much important. We get oxygen from plants, we get food from plants, we get some medicines from plants. So for the plant conservation, that soil is very much important. They help the plants grow. Then water conservation also. Soil holds water as the result by means of bunds or the lakes. We know the soil is used to build bunds and lakes. We can get water for use throughout the year. Lake se jo hai water, that rain water that collected in lakes, and bund also that we get the water throughout the year by making bunds. So soil is very much important. Then plasticity. What is meant by the plasticity? Plasticity is also very much important. The soil can be given any required shape. The property of soil is a plasticity. Soil में plasticity है, इसलिए we can make means water can make give various shapes to the soil. है ना, हम लोग गमले बनाते हैं, soil के बर्तन बनाते हैं, bottles, सभी तो lots of thing we get, a lot of utensils, lot of articles of varieties of shape we get from the soil. That means soil has plasticity. Because of its plasticity, we can use it to make articles of varieties of shapes. These articles can be baked to make them hard. Okay. Water storage. then earthen pots, earthen lamps, idols, bricks, etc. are made up from the soil. So this thing we made from the soil. Then some useful types of soil also. We get a china clay. हम लोग उसकी जो बनाते बाथरूम की टाइल्स, टैंक्स, क्रॉकरी, that laboratory apparatus, masks and the jars are made up of china clay. It is one of the type of soil. Then shadow soil is used for making idol. जो गणपति की मूर्ति, गणेश आइडल बनाते, सरस्वती देवी की जो आइडल जो बनाते दुर्गा देवी, so that the shadow soil is used for making these idols. Then terracotta soil. This soil is red in color. Decorative articles and pots are used for the growing plants and made from this soil. Then multani soil that usually used in cosmetics, so that is a great use of soil. Then one of the most important thing is the soil testing. Okay, soil testing is one of the most important thing. The proportion of the various ingredients of the soil can be determined by the soil testing. मतलब soil testing से हम लोग जान सकते हैं कि soil में कौन से ingredients है, कौन से nutrients है, which minerals are present in the soil. During soil testing, the soil is examined for color, texture, and the proportion of organic matter in it. Okay, soil is tested to find if there is a deficiency of any ingredient and to decide what measures should be taken to remove the deficiency. Soil में कौन से ingredient की कमी है, हम लोग जब हमारे बॉडी में अगर कुछ चीज मिनरल की कमी है तो हम लोग टेस्ट करते हैं कि क्या कमी है, तो डॉक्टर हमें उसकी सप्लीमेंट्स देते हैं, उसकी मेडिसिन देती है, एंड वी कैन क्योर द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट. वैसे ही सॉइल टेस्टिंग से अगर सॉइल में किसी चीज की डेफिशिएंसी है, कोई न्यूट्रिएंट सॉइल में नहीं है, सो वी कैन रिकवर, वी कैन रिमूव द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ दैट सॉइल बाय supplying some nutrients. So soil testing is very much important. It is helpful for the farmers also. Okay, it helps the farmer to maintain the fertility of the soil. You know, fertility of soil is very much important for the crop production. The soil sample, what they do, the soil sample is collected for testing, is dried in an open space in the shade for 8 to 10 days. Then it is then shifted to a sieve, छानते उसको, and to test, namely the pH and the electrical conductivity test. एक तो सॉइल की वो pH काउंट करते हैं, pH से हमें पता चलता है कि सॉइल इज बेसिक है कि एसिडिक है कि न्यूट्रल है. You know, acidic soil is not good for farming, basic soil also not good. So neutral soil. Then electrical conductivity also tested by the soil testing. Okay, so it is useful particularly for finding out the characteristics of the soil. You can determine the fertility of soil in your field with the help of these different tests. It is very helpful for the farmer. Okay, then causes of diminished soil fertility. Soil fertility is very much important. So what causes, what are the reasons to diminish the soil fertility? Soil की fertility loss कैसे होती है? By these are some causes. One is soil pH less than 6 or higher than 8. Soil की pH अगर 6 लेस देन 6 है और हायर देन 8 है तो इट कैन डिमिनाइज द सॉइल फर्टिलिटी. ओके, लो proportion of organic matter. You know, organic matter means humus. If the low proportion of organic matter present in the soil, it diminishes the soil fertility. Then no proper drainage of water. You know, the proper quantity of water is required for the plants. not so more, not so less water. So proper drainage also important for the production of good crop. Then repeated cultivation of the same crop. Repeated cultivation of same crop. आपको पता है कि crop rotation is very much important to preserve, to prevent the soil. Then if the repeated cultivation of the same crop happens, then causes the diminish the soil fertility. Then fifth cause is continuous use of saline water. So you know the saline water, which is not good for the crops. Then excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Pesticides and chemical fertilizers that decreases the soil quantity, soil quality. Okay, if we use the chemical fertilizers repeatedly in the soil, it decreases the soil fertility. So these are the basic 6 reasons for the diminished soil fertility. Okay, children, so it is, we should conserve the soil. Then the 5th of December is the day which we have to use as a World Soil Day. We have to use a World Soil Day to make effort for conservation of soil. Soil is a very much important natural resource, so we should conserve the soil. It is very much important. For that, 5th December we use as a World Soil Day. Okay, to aware the. Then you know the Danish scientist, one great scientist, that is Sorensen, put forth the concept of pH. You know pH, based on the concentration of hydrogen ions. To determine the pH of soil, a mixture of water and soil in the proportion of 1:2 is taken to test using several indicators. It's a pH meter used to detect the pH of the soil. Accordingly, soil may be found to be one of the following 3 types. One is acidic soil, neutral soil and alkaline soil. Acidic soil means उसमें acid का percentage होता है soil में. Then neutral soil means it's a neutral, no acid, no alkali. And alkaline soil means the pH is higher than 7.5. pH considered by the pH meter. Numbers 1 to 14 is given on the pH meter. Acidic soil means pH less than 6.5. See, acidic soil. Then neutral soil. Then alkaline soil. When the acidic soil, the pH less than 6.5. Its pH less than 6.5. Okay, अगर उसकी pH 6.5 की है, then the soil becomes acidic. Okay, neutral soil means pH is 6.5 to 17.5. 7.5. 6.5 to 7.5. This neutral soil is good. Okay, not so acidic, not so basic. Then alkaline soil means the pH higher than 7.5. Higher pH. Higher pH. Okay, more than 7.5. More than 7.5, that is the higher pH. Okay, this by using the soil testing, the pH can calculate of the soil. अगर ज्यादा एसिडिक है सॉइल तो उसको अल्कली से ट्रीट करते हैं. सो सॉइल ट्रीटमेंट टू मेक इट न्यूट्रल, so this is one of the, this helps the farmer to add some nutrient in the soil. Okay, now always remember one thing: soil texture is disturbed if chemical fertilizers are used excessively and that land becomes unsuitable for the sowing. You know, when you use the excess amount of fertilizers in the soil, the quality of soil becomes less, quality lose हो जाती है soil की. At that time, crop should be rotated in order to maintain the fertility of the land. तो नेचुरली सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी बढ़ाने के लिए आपको क्रॉप रोटेशन की ज्यादा जरूरत है. सो बाय यूजिंग द क्रॉप रोटेशन, एक साल ये क्रॉप दूसरे साल दूसरा क्रॉप अगर आप रोटेट करते हो, सो वी कैन हेल्प टू मेंटेन द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल. Okay, for example, the fertility of soil increases after the harvesting of wheat, when hence leguminous crops like peanut, moong, moth, bean, pense, pea, lentil, bengal gram या फिर soybean. So these are the leguminous plant. That leguminous plant help to increase the soil fertility. So after wheat, you can grow this leguminous plant, means it can maintain the soil fertility. Okay, so this is about the properties of soil, topics, soil structure we learn, various uses of soil we learn. Okay, and some useful types of soil also we learn in this lesson. We also learn some properties of water, what is anomalous behavior of water we learn, this important thing we learn. Then we also learn the properties of air in this lesson. So children, so we finish this lesson here. Third lesson, that properties of natural resources, and we in our next period we will write question answers. Okay, so bye everyone. Next period we will continue.